Hello everyone, I am Pariti Jain, MBA second year student from Faculty of Management Studies at Parul University. Today we are going to talk about the life of a student at Parul University. The usual routine starts from the morning 9 a.m. which goes on till 3:30 to 4 p.m. depending on the schedules. And of course the attendance is 75% mandatory. Classrooms are modern with the proper ventilation, smart boards, projectors and all. In some wings the classrooms are AC, fully AC, and where ACs are missing, there's fully ventilation with high-speed fans. Usually, the regular weeks are pretty smooth, but the environment gets intense during the external and mid-sem exams. Also, the workload increases during the practicals and submissions. Typically, semester starts from the June for the odd semesters, and for the even semester, it starts from the January. Okay, major breaks will be in between the semesters after completing the exams, and of course, in mid of the semesters, all the weekends or the festive holidays. Okay, sport facilities are huge at Parallel University, be it outdoor sports or indoor sports, including basketball, volleyball, cricket, everything, kho-kho, kabaddi and all, tug of war, etc., swimming pools and everything, which are freely accessible to the students of the Parallel University. For the mess food, I find the most comfortable food is curry chawal, and I ignore all the oily veggies. And of course, the days when I don't like the menu of the mess, and for the canteens, of course, the Maggie, momos, sandwiches, pizzas, and all. Overall, food quality of the Parul University, including all the mess and food courts, are amazing. Of course, it cannot match our home cooked food level. Campus vibes are so lively. Every time something is going on, be it cultural fest, cultural workshops, or events and everything. Around the Parul University, you can see at every point of corner, something is going on. So yeah, it's very lively. For the last year, the average high package was between 18 to 30 LPA. And of course, it includes the mass recruiters also, and with the core companies with the leading well-known recruiters. Recently, Microsoft came and recruited a guy for 645 LPA. I would rate Parul Universities, my experience would be 4 from the 5. Of course, 1 star will be for the mess food.